If you own a gaming PC running Windows 10 or 11, there's a high chance your system isn't fully optimized yet. Most gamers aren't using these hidden Windows settings that can boost FPS, reduce input lag, and make your games feel smoother instantly. The best part? This works on any PC, it's completely safe, super quick, and doesn't require any downloads. If this guide helps you, make sure to drop a like and subscribe. I'll be bringing more easy, powerful tips to get the most out of your PC. Alright, let's jump straight into optimizing your Windows 10 gaming PC. I'll show you exactly which settings to change so your games feel smoother, FPS goes up, and input lag drops, no downloads needed. Just make sure to follow along step by step and watch till the end. First, let's make sure your hardware is ready. Press Windows key plus X, select Device Manager, expand Display Adapters, right-click your GPU and choose Update Driver, then search automatically. Keeping your GPU driver updated ensures your games run at maximum performance and help fix any stutter or input lag caused by outdated drivers. Do the same for your network adapter. Sometimes slow internet can feel like your PC is lagging. Many apps launch automatically with Windows, which can slow your system down before you even start gaming. Press Ctrl plus ESC plus Shift to open Task Manager, or you can simply right-click at the taskbar and it would pop out. Go to the Startup tab and disable everything you don't want your PC to run at the background while doing something else. This frees up RAM and CPU for your games, giving you better FPS and faster loading. Windows has built-in gaming tools, but some can actually slow you down. Let's tweak them. Press Windows key plus I-type gaming, then go to Game Bar and turn it off unless you use it for clips or streaming. If not, it just slow you down. Then go to Game Mode in the same menu and turn it on. Game Mode helps Windows prioritize your game over background processes, reducing stutter and improving overall performance. This is a newer Windows 10 feature that can reduce latency and improve frame rates, especially on high-end GPU. Press Windows key plus I, then go to Settings, Display Graphics Settings. You will see a button that named Change Default Graphics Settings. Click it and turn on the two buttons to improve performance and reduce latency. Restart your PC to apply the change. And that's it. Quick, safe tweaks that can instantly improve your Windows gaming experience. Try them out and notice the difference in FPS, smoothness, and input responsiveness. If this guide helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more PC and gaming tips, and drop a comment telling me which tweak boosted your FPS the most. Your PC will thank you, and your games will feel brand new.